If you're thinking about taking the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate, but you're not sure whether it actually prepares you for real analytics work, or just teaches concepts without helping you enter job environments, this video will help you decide in the next few minutes. These skills are commonly used in analytics teams, reporting environments, dashboards, spreadsheets, and SQL-based workflows across modern workplaces. In this video, I'll explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and whether it's worth your time. This program is called the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate, available on the Coursera platform, and it's designed to help learners build practical skills used in entry-level analytics roles. After completing this certificate, you'll be able to organize datasets using spreadsheets, write SQL queries to retrieve structured business data, build visual dashboards that communicate insights clearly, and perform basic analysis tasks using Python inside real reporting workflows. These are the same kinds of activities analysts perform across departments like operations, marketing analytics, finance reporting, and internal decision support teams. One important question many learners ask is whether this certificate is enough to start a career pathway, or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. Career pathways supported by this course include FE Junior Data Analyst, FE Reporting Analyst FE, Business Data Assistant, FE Data Technician FE Entry Level Analytics Support Specialist. After completing this certificate, you'll be able to FE clean and prepare datasets using spreadsheets and SQL FE build charts and dashboards that explain trends clearly. FE perform structured analysis using Python. FE present insights that support everyday business decisions. This program focuses specifically on entry-level data analysis workflows rather than deeper data science learning pathways. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials, because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together rather than learning them separately. In a moment, I'll explain who benefits the most from this certificate, and whether beginners should start with it first. One strength of this certificate is that it introduces spreadsheet analytics, SQL querying, visualization tools, and Python together in the same learning structure, which reflects how analytics teams actually operate in real organizations. Who should take this course? This certificate works well for beginners entering analytics, professionals switching from non-technical roles into reporting work, and students preparing for their first analytics-related job applications. Who should avoid this course? This may not be the best fit if you already use SQL and Python regularly in your current job, or if your goal is advanced machine learning or data science engineering roles. Expected career impact. This certificate helps strengthen readiness for entry-level analytics roles and improves confidence working with business datasets. Expected salary relevance. Entry-level analyst roles supported by certificates like this fall into early career analytics salary ranges depending on industry and region. Skill level required. This program is designed for beginners and does not require prior analytics experience. Weekly learning time required. Most learners complete the certificate by studying around 3 to 5 hours per week, depending on pace. This certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward junior data analyst roles. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.